back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing the Veja. I've literally seen these sneakers pronounced so many different ways and I'm unsure of how to pronounce it correctly, but I'm going to be reviewing those sneakers today. I'm super excited because I received them in the mail yesterday and they are so cute, so I can't wait to share everything with you guys. If you are new to my channel, my name is Kera Nichelle. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get right into the video. So today the sneakers that I have are the Veja collab with Mansur Gavriel, the Campo low top sneakers in tone on tone calf leather. So I actually got these shoes from Neiman Marcus. I ordered them, but they also are at, and I'm reading because I just want to make sure that I'm saying the correct information, but these shoes are also sold at Saks, Nordstrom Rack, Madewell, just to name a few other stores that you can get them from. But when you open the box, they basically just have a card in here just letting you know the other colors they come in. Today I have them in Rosa, which is a light pink. They come in Sunshine, also Celeste, and Crema. Sunshine is a yellow color, Celeste is a blue, and then Crema is just like cream, if y'all can see. So it's just showing you the other colors that you can get. And then well, on the back of this, it does kind of explain a lot about the shoe, but I'll get into that later. So it lets you know the other colors it comes in. It also comes with like a newsletter. This is what these shoes look like. I have not laced them up or anything, but yesterday when I received them, I did take them out of the box just to look at them. I did slide my feet in them, but just to make sure they fit. But y'all, look at these shoes. They are so cute. Just a little history of these shoes. They're very popular because they're the first sustainable sneaker brand in the world. Basically, their shoes are made with high quality recycled materials, organic cotton, and sustainable source leather, so they're made to last. Looking at them, they're very, very great quality. This might be the best quality sneakers that I've ever gotten. And right now, I don't know why I waited till I'm now years old to just be in love with the color pink, but all of a sudden everything has to be pink. So I've been wanting a pink sneaker, and I just happened to a little history of how I found the sneakers actually. So after my last sneaker review, YouTube started recommending other sneaker reviews to me. A lot of people compare these to the Golden Goose, but what I will say, y'all, like, these are the real deal. Like, they're such great quality. I was looking at other people's reviews on the sneakers, not this one, because I have not seen anybody review this sneaker exactly, because this is a new drop basically. So this is a new sneaker that they just came out with. It's the perfect summer and springtime sneaker, I would say, just because the colors, they made sure that they touched every color in the rainbow is what they were going for with all the different colors, of the 4 different colors. I just ran across this sneaker on YouTube basically, and I was looking at other people's reviews, doing my research on them, and then I was just like, okay, I'm about to order a pair. I just think this is a pretty like classy shoe, and the simple fact that it can be dressed up or down just adds a bonus to it. I feel like if you can put a sneaker with a skirt or a dress, you can pretty much wear with anything. These shoes were $175, but Veja shoes run a little bit cheaper. These were just, since these are the collab and these are the solid color ones, then these were $175. I think they're well worth the price just because of the quality. Like, y'all, they kind of remind me of an upscale Converse. And the only reason why I say that is because these cost more than Converse. So basically the description of these shoes, these are the Veja Mansur Gavriel Campo low top sneakers in tone on tone calf leather, flat heel, round toe, lace up vamp, signature contrast, backstay with V logo at side, cushioned footbed, recycled polyester lining, Amazonian rubber, rice waist, and recycled rubber sole, made in Brazil. And honestly, y'all, like, I'm not even going to cap, like, get these shoes. These shoes are true to size. I wear a size 5 in US women. These are a 35 and I wear a 4 in boys. And when I stuck my foot in them, they fit perfectly. And I know a lot of people were saying in the reviews that I seen that the tongue kind of cuts into their feet. That was the only complaint I seen on previous people videos. I can't confirm or deny because I have not put these, like, I tried them on, but I have not like walked in them. I just briefly put my feet in them. They weren't laced up all the way. So I'm gonna go ahead and lace these up and do a wear test for y'all, and I'll let y'all know what I think. So this is my first time putting the shoes on, y'all, like both of them with socks, everything. And I will say, I just love the quality of the shoes. And I love how they look on my feet. I am a small foot person. So people think it's easy to find shoes if you have a small foot. That's actually not true. Y'all don't talk about the way I laced up these shoes. I hate lacing up shoes. And then I also do kind of see what people are saying about the tongue because the shoe is so stiff because it's of great quality. It's not cutting into me. But if you're thinking about getting a pair of these, I definitely say do. As you can see, these shoes are laced up. So this is definitely after I did my wear test. My first impression of the shoes, y'all, quality A1, like quality A1. You're not even gonna get, you know how when you wear sneakers and you get that creasing in the top, I don't even really see you getting that creasing because the shoes are that great of a quality. Like, you're not gonna get any creasing. These shoes are made to last. People were complaining about the tongue digging into like their foot. It's not digging into my foot. Again, I put these on for a short amount of time, but I say that this is a good shoe. If you're thinking about ordering this shoe, I definitely would. I do love the summertime, springtime look with these colors. Yeah, y'all, I have nothing more to say. I think this was money well spent. So that is gonna wrap up this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.
I would like to